Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes it, and today I'm going to do unboxing. We have over here a monthly subscription by KnitCrate. KnitCrate are so generous, they're sending me boxes to open up to show you guys what's in them. Although there is a bit of a surprise, you may not get exact colours what I'm getting. And also what they do, they share a 20% off with you guys for your first subscription. What you need to do, you just need to go down below, click on the link and use KIL20 to get 20% off. I'm going to open it right now. Let's see what I have here. And if you're following me for a while, you may notice that I'm knitting with KnitCrate yarn, so check links down below. I have all the things that I knitted. I'm not saying I'm doing all the patterns that are included in the boxes or some boxes, but I'm definitely using their yarn. And for instance, before I open up just a sneak peek, I share stuff with you. Lately, this is basically maybe a week ago, I designed this amazing shawl. So I'm going to leave a link down below to this one too, obviously. This was used with one of the KnitCrate boxes, Artisan Crate. And now I'm knitting with a KnitCrate membership, May and June yarn. And I'm doing this lovely pullover. And I'm going to start sleeves. Okay, let's open up. It's a sock membership crate. Oh my, wow, the colors. So what you're going to get in the box like this, oh, you already gotten it. It's a card, and on the one side is beautiful information and the theme written down, which is explore a fresh look at the familiar rainbow with bold, intense color. Tangerine, grass green, and sunshine yellow play against a navy and ultraviolet. Mix and match this month's pigment hues with rich, natural like caramel and stark white for pieces that pop. Okay, so what we're getting with this box, with Sock Crate membership, is we're getting in-house yarn, pattern, and the shipping for the whole subscriptions are for free. But obviously there is a price if you wanted to buy it separately. So for instance, KnitCrate also have online shop where you can find certain yarns, but then you'll be charged for shipping. So the total value of this box is $34, but they sell it for $19.99. Pattern. Here, the sock pattern, a beautiful green. You can see a texture on the back of the foot designer, and the sock pattern's name. And the yarn I got, isn't it fun? In-house Uri yarn by KnitCrate. We have 80% Spruce Merino, 20% nylon. We have over here 365 meters, which is 400 yarns. And the name is Sungle. And here is the yarn. And you see how different it is dyed? It's not spots, it's actually full lines of the yarn, which I believe when you start, you get exact length of the ribbing, then place for the heel. You can do afterthought, you can do a fish's kiss heel or start some heel, but I presume what I would do, I would just cut it off, knit straight, and then use this yarn to knit heels. What a color. Love it! Thank you so much KnitCrate for this amazing box. I'm curious what you got, so let me know down below. Did you get this lovely single color, or I did double check what the name is of this lovely green, but because that was also an option. So on the screen, write down what did you get. And if you've never tried subscription, you can always subscribe and you can freeze your account for a month or unsubscribe. But I think it's a really cool idea to get the yarn and knit, for instance, socks with this crate for your loved ones before Christmas. I can't wait to do that. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. The next one is going to be another unboxing, and hopefully after that I will have time to show you my finished object, which is a hat.